This is the exit slip that you took on Friday, and I just wanted to go over the answers so that you can check your work. In question number 1, there's 2 issues that you need to address. 1 is to write the equation of the line, and 2 to say if it's horizontal or vertical. This is a vertical line, and the equation of the line is x equals 8. Every single point on this line has an x coordinate of 8. The y values are different, but the x coordinates of every point on that line is equal to 8. In question number 2, we're asked to find the slope and the y-intercept of that line. Now the y-intercept is 7, and the slope is -3/4. So the correct answer here would be the third option. The slope is -3/4, and you have a y-intercept of 7. For number 3, we are asked to find out whether or not this is a solid or a dashed line when we graph an inequality that has these symbols. Now, this is a less than or equal to, this is a greater than or equal to, and because of that equal sign, we are going to include the line as part of our solution set. So this less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, if that appears in an equality, then that's going to be a solid line. Now in number 4, we have a less than, and this is a greater than symbol. Now there is no equal part of this, and so when we're graphing it, we will not include the line, so it will be a dashed line or a dotted line, not a solid line. In number 5, ordered pairs in the shaded region are solutions to the inequality. And what we are saying is that if you substitute the x and the y value into the inequality, then you will get a true statement. In number 6, we're asked, is this ordered pair a solution to the inequality? Now, 2, -2, 2, -2 would be over here in quadrant number 4, and that is not in the shaded region. So this is not a solution to the inequality. So this would be a false statement. In number 7, we're asked about 2, 1. Now 2, 1 is on this solid line. If it's on the solid line, the line is included as part of the shaded region. So this would be a true statement. In 8, we're to write an inequality, and this inequality would be a horizontal line with everything shaded above it. So if we look at our options, we have y is less than 1. This would be everything below that line. Greater than would be everything shaded above it. C would be the line and everything below it. And then letter D would be y equals equals 1 or anything greater than 1. So that's where we get a solid line and we get everything above it. So the correct answer should be letter D. Now, number 9, we're supposed to choose all the ordered pairs that are solutions to the inequality. So we're looking for everything, all the points that are in that shaded region. -5, 5, -5, 5 is in the region. -4, -2 would be down in the third quadrant. That's not in the region, so it's not in the solution set. 0, 0 is not. 0, 2 It looks like it would be, but that's a dashed line. So that point is not included in the set. And then 2, 0, 2, 0 would be right here. So the only one that is in the solution set is letter A, negative 5, 5. Now this one, 4, 2. If you look at 4, 2, 4, 2 is also, so I missed the one down here at the bottom, but we have negative 5, 5 and 4, 2. So those are those two, negative 5, 5 and 4, 2. 4, 2 and then negative 5, 5. Now in number 10, choose all the ones that are solutions. So negative 5, 5, that is a solution. Negative 4, negative 2, 0, 0, 2, 2 on that line, and then 4, 2 is not. Now, in number 11, we're trying to find out which of these graphs represents this inequality. And we notice that the slope is negative 1/4 and the intercept is 4. So this one is a candidate. Can't be this one, because even though the slope is negative 1/4, it has an intercept of negative 4. This one is a candidate at first glance because the intercept is 4, but we notice that this has a positive slope, so it can't be C. And then letter D is a likely candidate, but instead of everything being above the dotted line, it's shaded below. So the correct answer is A. Has a slope of negative 1/4, a y-intercept of 4, and everything shaded above.